In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a web form which a customer will fill out and will automatically be added to your SMS subscriber list. First thing you want to do is jump up to My SMS Campaigns, click on Web Form, and now we want to create a new campaign. When I click on the plus button here, this is the web URL we're going to be hosting our button. This is the group where subscribers will automatically be added to once they fill out the form, and they'll also get that subscriber message instantaneously. Next, the thank you page after they fill out that form. Next, if you want to collect the name of the person inside the web form, you can say, what is your name? What is your mobile number? What is your email? And lastly, if we want to collect their address, we can, but if you don't want to add that to the form, just leave it blank. Next, we want to choose our background image. I just want to have a plain white background, so I'm just going to leave it alone. And I want to grab my button image. I click on Choose File and find a button image. So I'm just going to grab this button right here. Click on Open. And now I've added that. We can add notes about this. And what this will do, we'll add a little note next to the form about the process and how to fill out the form. You don't have to have this, but you can if you want. And then we can have customization features for the actual form itself. We can determine our fonts, the size of the fonts, the label color, and the frame size, the frame color, borders, all that good stuff. We can also customize our button if we want to. And lastly, if you're collecting an email and you want to have that user flow into an email autoresponder service as well as the SMS subscriber list, you can select the service that you use. In this case, Aweber. Paste the code in, hit on Save. I'm going to hit Save. So now it appears here. Here's our web form. We have the URL where the web form is hosted, and the group that all the subscribers are going to be flowed into, and the date we added it. The first thing we want to do, if we ever want to edit, we can just click on the pencil icon here. If we want to delete, hit on the X icon. But we have two options here for the code. First, we have just a general subscription link, which will take them to the form. And the other option is the actual embed form itself. And it's an iframe, so we can grab this code, copy it, and place it in our editor. Now you may be using WordPress. You can always just embed that code into WordPress, but I'm just using a standard FTP editor here. I'm going to paste my code in, click on Save, then go to my web page. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. And I'm like a user coming through the system, and it should take me to the thank you page, which is Google. And now I should be subscribed to the system. I'm now going to check my list on the campaign that I set up inside the flow. And we see here in our list that the user was automatically added to the campaign. This concludes the training on using the web form inside of the SMS Gateway.